Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Medico Musician, and here we are with another vlog. As you read the title, this vlog is for my brother's birthday, Samarth, for whose birthday I'm going to go to Vikhroli, and also this is the last trip I'm having before my med school begins. So yeah, this vlog has to be special. I want to share you a few feelings with you, whatever I'm feeling before med school begins, and I'm going to take you around wherever we go, like for shopping and all the fun we have. So we are going to take an auto from Kandivali to Vikhroli directly. Till then, stay tuned.
Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back hours ago.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So I reached Vikhroli 2 hours ago, and उसके बाद में अभी हम लोग मॉल जा रहे हैं मेरे भाई की शॉपिंग करने. Samarth, say hi. So yeah, we will see you once we reach at the mall. Till then के लिए see you next time.
Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold. Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side.
Guys, finally we got a place to sit at the food court. I'll just show you what all we have ordered. So this is what we have ordered. Samarth, say hi. Guys, the food was like the KFC popcorns were good, but the noodles were not good. Samarth, noodles के बारे में कुछ बताएगा?
नूडल्स को तो मैं रेट करूँगा 10 में से 6.
I would rate the noodles a 4, but the popcorns were quite good. I would rate them a solid 8 on 10. पैसा वसूल. Shopping now, we are just finding if there is some Reliance Trends or somewhere. Because guys, सच्ची में इतने महंगे दुकानों में we cannot be shopping because we are just students till now. So hi guys, we are back from shopping and we shopped great. We will make a haul once we reach home. You know, like I must say, Reliance is having an offer going on from 22nd of Jan to 28th of January. I don't know what's the exact name. Reliance. Yes. Actually, this video is not sponsored, but the shopping which we did was epic. We will make a haul on it. So stay tuned till the end of the video. तो फाइनली अभी हम लोग RCT से निकल रहे हैं. Can you see her there? Can you see her there? That performance was epic. So we are leaving now. Bye bye.
जनगणमनाधि नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां मातरम. वंदे मातरम.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Yes, and what all happened yesterday? Yesterday we did not do anything great. हम लोग शॉपिंग से वापस आए. फिर शॉपिंग से वापस आने के बाद हम लोग ने रात को एक केक कट के Samarth का 12 o'clock को, and Samarth was quite happy by that basically. उसके I'm not understanding whether to look over here or here. Okay, I'll look over here first. And after doing that, we just had some dinner, which was quite good. The dinner was pav bhaji. Maushi had made pav bhaji, and yes, we wanted to make a haul कि हम लोगों ने क्या क्या शॉपिंग किया. I must say यार जाओ रिलायंस ट्रेंड्स पर बहुत अच्छा ऑफर्स चालू है. I just want to show you a few things. Basically मैं बताता हूँ कि हम लोगों को पूरे शॉपिंग पर 25% ऑफ मिल गया रिलायंस ट्रेंड्स में. Again this video is not sponsored by Reliance Trends, though I wish it was. और 25% ऑफ मिल गया. और समझ और क्या मिला अपने को? कूपन मिला. हाँ, हम लोगों को 4 कूपन्स मिले which were each 500 rupees worth. Like these are the 4 coupons which we got. Like just समझ मेरी ये वाली पैंट है वो थोड़ी सी हम लोगों को एक साइज बढ़ाकर चाहिए. कट ओके, तो हम लोग को एक साइज बढ़ाकर चाहिए, तो ये पैंट हम लोग जस्ट एक साइज बढ़ाकर लाने वाले हैं. एंड और हम लोग आज क्या करने वाले हैं, तो वो करने के बाद हम लोग जस्ट लंच के लिए जाएंगे. आफ्टर लंच वी विल जस्ट गो अराउंड, वी विल टॉक फॉर सम व्हाइल, एंड आफ्टर दैट गाइस अनलकीली आई हैव टू लीव अर्ली टुडे. आई एम गोइंग टू लीव बाय 5 PM फ्रॉम हियर. Now I was going to talk to you about what all am I feeling before getting into med school. अच्छा चलो, समझ इज नॉन मेडिकल. पहले इनसे पूछते हैं कि व्हाट यू फील अबाउट मेडिकल लाइफ. मेडिकल लाइफ कैसे होती है?
मेडिकल लाइफ ना, मुझे मतलब मेडिकल में इतना इंटरेस्ट है नहीं, तो बोरिंग.
Okay, first of all, medical life is not boring, guys. Believe me, it is not at all boring. See, though I'm not into medical life completely, but मैंने जो मेरे सीनियर से सुना है, जो मैंने ओवरऑल सुना है कि यार पहली बात तो मुझे मेरा YouTube मेरी पैशन फॉलो करने मिल रही है. That is still doesn't make it boring. But what do you feel about study pressure?
स्टडी प्रेशर पापा बहुत ही ज़्यादा है.
Yes, that is true कि in medical life you have to study a lot, but you know again it's very fun. It's very very fun, and when you are in a place like Grant Medical College and JJ, oh my God, the fun is unparalleled. The days are memorable. अभी हमारा कॉलेज शुरू हुआ भी नहीं है, तभी भी हम लोग के ग्रुप पर कितने गूगल मीट्स पर मजे बहुत मिलते रहते हैं. And okay, I just wanted to share कि I'm nervous guys. I'm nervous about how things are going to begin med school, and यार कोई भी होता है यार nervous. मुझे लगता है कि नई कॉलेज है, नया लाइफ है. Just comment below all those who are aspiring for medical life, or even though those who are already into medical life, like those who are pursuing medicine. I'm a little scared guys. You need to trust me. I am scared. Hopefully यार चीजें थोड़ी अच्छी हो जानी चाहिए तो है. Anything, and you can also comment below all the myths you have about med life. Like today the date is 29th. Yeah, technically it is already 12 o'clock, so the date is 29. I wound up the vlog on 26th when I was at my cousin's place, that is Samarth's place, and after that today is 29th, and I am a little stressed because today now I'll go to bed, and after that tomorrow morning I have to wake up and go to college. Okay, it's not my first day at college, but I have to do some paperwork, so I have to go to college. I have to get some papers and some scholarship papers signed from the college authorities and all that stuff. So I'm just vlogging now to just talk about whatever I'm feeling, and I'm being very candid, I'm being very vulnerable. Sorry for that. If you are really busy in studies, if you're really busy in need studies, and guys, I would say the vlog has ended. Go study guys, but whatever I'm going to talk is just coming right from my heart, because you know what, whatever you all are being through, वो सब मैंने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है कभी ना कभी. तो we all have gone through it, like you all will be going through it. कि first of all I would like to make it very clear कि I had nobody to help me and guide me anywhere in my journey, like except a few teachers, but I had no senior friends, I had no other, like class tutorial teachers. I also shared my journey, like how my class tutorials were not good. Okay, but then anyways, let's push that aside. Now I'm just going to talk about what am I feeling now currently is that I'm a bit anxious. I won't use the word scared. I will use the word anxious, because you know what, 1st of February is going to be my first college day at GMC Mumbai, and yes, everybody is a bit scared. You have the newcomers fright that you're new to something and तुम्हें पता नहीं होता कि क्या करना है. And especially when you don't have anybody senior to you telling you like what all is going to happen with you, like that is very apparent in my case. uh, Especially if I have to talk about my Paris at GMC Mumbai and my batchmates, then you know what, I'm really having higher hopes because so far technically I've been into GMC Mumbai for the past 2.5 months because I got admitted into November, and now it is like almost it is end of January. So and we have had a WhatsApp group since in the past 1.5 to 2 months, and I've really felt good about the WhatsApp group because the people here are more approachable. My batchmates were approachable, and I did not make very close friends till now, but I feel that I began talking to people, new people, and my friends at GMC Mumbai, and I made 4 to 5 friends, like whom I can approach, and I guess they are much 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 more approachable than the friends what I had before, and like the crowd is very closely knit. It is not like कि तुम तुम्हारा करो हम हमारा करेंगे. It is like people are going hand in hand, so I'm having good vibes about the uh, like the batch at my batch at GMC Mumbai. But again, when you have other anxieties like seniors at the college, then कैसे होगा क्या होगा, and these are like all vague questions कि तुम्हें पता नहीं है कि तुम्हारा पहले दिन कैसे होने वाला है, क्या क्या होने वाला है पहले दिन पर, लेक्चर्स होने वाले हैं कि नहीं. वी आर जस्ट टोल्ड कि 10:30 को आना है कॉलेज में अनाटमी लेक्चर हॉल में, उसके बाद में कुछ बताया नहीं है. तो फिर वो एंग्जाइटी ना बहुत बढ़ जाती है अंदर. But I'm very 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 excited at the same time about my college because yeah, this is happening for me. The dream what I dreamt for the past, like I don't know how many years, is finally taking shape now. And पर थोड़ा डर डर तो लगने वाला है यार. आई गेस एवरीबडी कैन रिलेट बिकॉज अभी तुम लोग नीट में हो एंड तुम्हें अभी कुछ भी पता नहीं है कि नीट के एडमिशन प्रोसीजर्स क्या होते हैं, क्या क्या होता है, क्या क्या होता है. बट आई टेल यू वन थिंग, everybody watching out there, not knowing anything about the technical stuff is okay. You don't need to stress out about the technical stuff कि तुम्हें पता नहीं है कि एडमिशन के लिए अप्लाई कैसे करना है. Everything will fall in place, and I would suggest कि see, I will try from my side to update you all and to guide you all at the best I can. But at the same time I'll tell you कि मुझे भी कोई नहीं था बताने के लिए कि फॉर्म कैसे भरना है, क्या कैसे भरना है, एक्सेप्ट आई हैड अ sir who really helped me out. I'll also ask him if I can share his contact number with you all on my channel so that more students can approach him for help. He really helped me out with the technical stuff little but uh, documents and वो सब तो मतलब मुझे भी पता नहीं था. But it's okay to not know, okay. But I want to make a video saying like what all documents you need to have before even your NEET exams are done, because I'll tell you, एक बार तुम लोग की नीट हो जाएगी फिर उसके बाद तुमको एक एग्ज़ाम और रिजल्ट के बीच में एक 1.5 मंथ का तुम्हें एक गैप मिलेगा. एंड दैट इज़ योर मच डिजर्व्ड वेकेशन, कि वो वेकेशन में तुम्हें इन्जॉय करना ही चाहिए. बिकॉज यार 2-3 साल पढ़ाई कर कर यू ऑल हैव रीच द स्टेज कि अच्छा पेपर लिखकर तुम्हें 1.5 मंथ की वेकेशन मिल रही है. तो फिर वो वेकेशन में इन्जॉय करना पड़ेगा, करो आई मीन करना पड़ेगा, इज़ लाइक एन्जॉय योर सेल्फ. एंड उसके बाद ऐसा होगा कि वंस रिजल्ट्स आर आउट विद इन 15 days योर कैप राउंड्स विल बिगिन, योर like AIQ list, then state list and all those stuff will begin. And फिर ऐसा होता है कि तभी when we are registering for these lists you require certain documents in hand. तो इसीलिए जब तुम लोग नीट एग्जाम के पहले ही जब ये सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स के लिए अप्लाई कर डालते हो ना, तो बाय द टाइम यू आर डन विथ योर नीट एग्जाम्स यू हैव दिस डॉक्यूमेंट्स इन हैंड. So I am planning to make a video regarding the same on my channel. Tell me if it is a good idea. I'll be listing out. See, I am a SC candidate, that is a caste candidate, and caste candidates require certain additional documents. Not only caste candidates, even the uh, candidates who come under EWS category, that is economically weaker sections. Then all those, and India is a place where there is so much of diversity, so much of caste and so many different rules कि बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाता है सिनारियो. अभी भी मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज हूँ बहुत चीज़ों के बारे में, बिकॉज अभी भी हमें इंडेमिनिटी बॉन्ड देना है कॉलेज को, बाद में स्कॉलरशिप फॉर्म्स भरने हैं, उसके बाद में हमें MUHS मतलब हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है, यूनिवर्सिटी के फॉर्म्स भरने हैं. तो फिर ऑल दोज थिंग्स आर वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग अगेन. बट यू ऑल शुड नो कि यू विल ऑलवेज हैव दैट फर्स्ट टाइम इन योर लाइफ कि जब इसमें वो चीज़ तुम पहली बार करोगे, तुम्हें नहीं पता रहेगा उसके बारे में कुछ भी, बट दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली ओके. डू नॉट स्ट्रेस योर सेल्फ ओवर दैट, बिकॉज सी यू कैन आस्क फॉर गाइडेंस. एंड अभी अगर तुम्हें नहीं पता है तो तुम रिसोर्सेज देख सकते हो. मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि अभी उस पर टाइम वेस्ट करो भी मत. जस्ट मैं जो वो वीडियो बनाऊंगा डॉक्यूमेंट्स का वो देख लेना, दैट विल बी मच इन्फॉर्मेटिव. Now I guess it's 7:12, like 7 minutes 12 seconds. I guess it's been a long vlog. I hope you all like the vlog. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. I know I'm not very like excited and bubbly, but you know, we are human beings at the end, and we also have our days. When we are a little stressed, we are a little sad, anxious, and all that stuff. But you know what? I'll keep vlogging, and I'll tell you, I'm going to try and vlog my first 7 days at GMC Mumbai. Though I won't be able to vlog the whole thing, but I'll try and vlog as much as I can in my first week. I hope you'll be excited to watch as much as I'm excited to know how my first week is gonna be. Uh, Till then, stay tuned on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for further updates, and also hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications to my latest videos. And yeah, all the best to your NEET exams, and all the best to me for my first day at my college. Till then, good night. Bye bye.